I want to start by asking you a question. Have you ever felt like you're living your life based on what other people think? It's a common fear, and it can hold us back from trying new things and pursuing our dreams. But why do we let other people control us like this? The truth is, there are a lot of negative people in this world who are afraid to try new things, and they want to bring others down with them. We can't let their fear hold us back. We need to take an inventory of ourselves and our lives, and be honest about whether we're truly ready to make a change. But it's not just about making a change. It's about going all out every day. You have to be a hard worker to gain respect and make progress towards your goals. And speaking of progress, I have a secret tip for you at the end of this video that will help you achieve your goals faster. Now, back to the speech. It's important to remember that the challenges we face are just chapters in our book, not the whole story. We can't let a difficult chapter define the rest of our lives. We have to push through the discomfort and the hunger, like a lion, and not bow down to anyone. Most dreams never come true because they're brutally difficult, but we have to go all out every day and create momentum towards our goals. It's about fortifying our willpower and being about what we claim to be. We have to ask ourselves, why can't we accomplish more right now, and then go out and do it? So, the secret tip I promised you is this. Focus on one day at a time. Wake up every day and do everything you can to make that day a win. And then wake up the next day and do the same thing. It's about creating momentum and going all out every day. Thank you for listening, and remember, be about it today, and be about it tomorrow. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without